Right, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here you go, Barnett, top of the range. Make all the Scorpion clutch lock-up clutches, race tested and proven by racers and tuners worldwide, as it says, and you can see why. Just check the meatiness of this starter ring, and you see the bolts holding it on. Massive deep bolts. All of this is all CNC out of one lump. So as you can see here, all the gear teeth, everything are actually joined to this. There's no bolting together like a lot of them. So this particular item, not the cheapest, but definitely one of the best. Barnett do all the Scorpion clutches, lots of different variations depending on what horsepower your bike is. But if you're interested in any of these products, give us a call. Made in USA as well. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Available for 07 up, you know, even your Milwaukee 8s. And the website, customcruisers.com, like I say, but the new site, customcruisers.eu, is a lot better, and it's getting there. So bear with us, but we are getting all the stock on there, and there's some great bargains to be had. Stay safe, have a great day. Thank you.